Hi Toro.
Who's ahead of me? Even she is running. Even she is running. This is the last tower. Let's see who's going to win. Or who's going to win? Who's going to win? Who's going to win? Forever.
And behind me is Anisa.
This is the tower of Cheirao Ching.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel Robin Bister, and today I am in Cheirao Ching, which is situated in Imphal. It looks like a Great Wall of China. This is just the beginning one. See, it is mainly developed by government of Manipur tourism department, and they just wanted to focus upon tourism, natural tourism. So that's why they have built up this one. It's constructed. It is constructed in the middle of mountains. Like there is one mountain named Cheirao Ching. Going to find a tower there, and from which that tower we can see all the view of Manipur, all the part of Imphal. See the aerial view of Imphal from that stair. Okay, let's go guys. Let's go upside. You can see the view of Imphal from here. So it's so beautiful. Check it out. It's been so long that I didn't climb up the mountains, and today, a little bit tired. And now from here I can just climb up the top, and from this top there is a tower. This is the tower, and from here we can see the view of Imphal in a better way. So I'm going to show you. So let's climb up. Phew. This is the first floor. Even from here we can see the view. And still there is one upstairs. Hi Anisha.
Hi.
Okay. See, that is the final destination. We need to climb till there. Climb up more upside. So let's climb up. It's just two-story tower. Oof. See the view. See guys, the view of total Imphal. There is Langol side, and that is the Langol, and that is the central Imphal, and that is the Secretariat, Manipur Legislative Assembly. And from here you can see all the view. That is the High Court of Manipur. And see the view, aerial view of Imphal from here. You'll find so much of greenery. You need a little bit of endurance to climb up till there, but still it's a very chilling place. Actually this is a religious place, and the government of India has developed into a tourism destination, and today it's because of a little bit sound, calm. I don't know why tourists they haven't come today. We need to trek from there downhill till the beginning of this place, but today they allowed us to ride my vehicle till here, so I came till there, down there. And Anisa, why are you dancing? Anisa, how are you doing? Look, you're doing great. So in the previous video, many of my subscribers, they were talking only about you. So
Yeah, I was.
you got so many follower requests to write. She's thanking you guys from the bottom of my heart.
My heart.
Just kidding. She's thanking you all. Main bazaar, that central bazaar, that Imphal area is situated in that part, that side. This place is known as Chingmeirong, and this side is known as Langwal. It's very large. It's filled with greenery only. And in down there you'll find four statues. We are going to personally go and visit to that place and see who are they and whose statues it belongs to. Before camera,
I'm not shy anymore.
you don't need to be shy. My little sis, okay, she's smiling. Where are we?
At Imphal.
Imphal, which place? This place is Cheirao Ching. It looks exactly familiar like, what to say? Not China. Yeah, Great Wall of China. It looks exactly identical like, it's a mini Great Wall of China. Yes. Even from here, you need to go till up there. So that's a top hill. You have to. It started from downhill, like the same stairs. And there are many kind of watchtowers. It's situated in the heart of. It's a destination of many couples. Many couples come here for dating, and even guys, youth, they come here for jogging. And he says she needs to be fit and fine. If you want to be fit, you have to come here. And we are walking down. We are walking down now, but after 50 yards or 100 yards, we have to again climb up. That will be the most adventurous. The thing is, and she was telling me that she just came after meeting her boyfriend. Yeah. She's like, she told that when you tell the truth, because truth is always bitter. And when I told that she came after meeting her boyfriend,
I don't know.
so
I'm single, by the way.
guys, if she is single, you can
If
follow
want
her.
my number, you can just comment down below.
No need to comment.
Like, share, and subscribe, and comment down.
She's
You want my number?
she's blackmailing, emotional. She's making you all emotional followers. Okay. See guys, this one. We need to climb up there. I'm wearing spec because I'm taking this video from the front camera. I'd like to introduce. My name is Robin Bister and I'm currently staying in Delhi. And about my profession, I'm a teacher by profession. And beside that, I'm doing PhDs. I'm a PhD scholar too. You'll find many stays in every places, every like 100 to 200 meters, you'll find checkpost, like watchtowers. So it's like that. We have already climbed 2 or 3 watchtower. Now I am in the third one. That is the final one, and I'm going to take you all till there. So it's a very nice. You're going to see the awesome view from there. So it's going to give the aerial view of total Imphal. This is the Secretariat, Imphal Secretariat, the new building, and beside that there is High Court of Manipur. And right now I'm about to reach the top hill of Cheirao Ching, and which it's a really people of Manipur, they consider it is one of the most customary, like they have some sentiment is connected with the religious purpose. And you'll find many people, they come, Manipuri people, Meitei people, they come here for worshipping their own deity. And see, this is the view of Imphal and Manipur. Yes, Manipur, it's already a green place, but they have developed into ecotourism. So recently, I guess in 2019, the government of BJP government, they inaugurated this place as a form of ecotourism. I want all of you to come here, and please do like and subscribe to my channel. If you walk for around 30 to 40 meters or around 60-70 meters, you'll find like there is a sitting place, like stool, chairs, all these things are totally very well organized. And the purpose, the vision of this tourism department of Manipur, they have make up the vision that they are going to connect all the hills which is situated in Imphal. They are going to connect with this route. Likewise, we are going to roam all around Imphal through this road, through this type of stairs. And Anisa is walking in front of me. Yeah, there is a flag of Manipur, and that is the temple of Sanamahi. The Manipur. Like I am Hindu, Muslims are Muslims, Christian follow Christianity. Likewise, Manipuri people, they follow Sanamahism.
and that is the flag of Manipur. See, it is torn already. I guess they are going to shortly replace it with new one. And that is the temple of Sanamahi, the destination view. And I'm going to compete with somebody who is ahead of me. Even she is running. This is the last tower. Let's see who is going to win. Who's going to win? This place is maintained by, this is Cheirao Ching Hill, Imphal. Maintained this place since 2013, 7th IRB from 13 to 19, 4th IRB since 2020 till now. She's viewing like this. She's viewing through her eyes. This is the second watchtower. So guys, what's this place? This is heaven. Hello Anissa. She's busy with her boyfriend. If you're watching my video from any part of India, please consider visiting Manipur. It's a wonderful place. The minority here, but still they don't have any kind of discrimination out now. Government is also so good. They are functioning so well. So they have constructed so many kind of tourist place. So I request all of you to please consider visiting Manipur, and don't have a stigma, don't have a myth that visiting Manipur is a dangerous place like Kashmir. It's not like that. Manipur is a very beautiful place. It's so peaceful now. Before a few decades back, Manipur used to be considered as one of the dangerous destination place. But now the thing has changed so much. Other kind of water parks, ponds, lakes, you'll find it is filled with so much serenity in all over of Imphal. And the main special thing about Imphal is its people. They are so good, so kind-hearted, and so loving and daring. You won't find this kind of people anywhere in the world, and we should appreciate all these kind of people, because there is lots of cultural diversity and unity among us, and we are living in a peace and harmony now. Before there used to be so many kind of disturbances and disharmony among us, but now like we people are educated, we started getting proper education, and I guess education is the main root cause of all this thing. Mountain, the government is planning to build up another watchtower out there. From there again they are going to construct another there. Likewise, it's going to connect till there. So that is their aim and vision and ambition. So if they started constructing all the watchtower, so it's filled with mountain from all the sides, and this Imphal, it is situated as a valley in the middle. It's like a bowl. It's like a bowl in which, like, as you know, bowl. If you watch from the above aerial view, if you watch from the upside, you'll see the real beauty of Manipur, because Imphal Valley, it's totally surrounded by mountain from all the regions. And now see, the main special thing about Delhi, yes, I'm staying in Delhi and in Manipur, I like to compare two or three valid points. Howsoever hot it may get in Delhi, but it will never rain. Hardly it rains. But see, now I am in peak of this summer season. I don't want to compare the weather temperature from Delhi and here, but see, I'm in peak of this summer season. But even right now, it's about to. The weather is so chilling. It's not about to rain, but still it's about to so chilling.
Hello guys, see my kids. Yeah, my kids. Okay, tell your name. Say hi. Say hi. Hi Toro. Say hi. Hi yo. Hi. Hello guys, the trip for this Cheirao Ching has come to an end, and I like to appreciate all of you for watching till here, and thank you so much. It's raining out here, and in the upcoming video I'll be going for waterfall track, and please do like and subscribe to my channel.